How to create your best life, your purposeful life. You need three ingredients. Hi, Philip Montrose here. My wife and partner Jane Montrose help people step up, tap into the heart and soul with holistic coaching and healing. Today, I want to explore your best life, your purposeful life. You need three ingredients to do that successfully. What are they? Well, knowledge, tools, and support. Because when you have those three ingredients together, you're integrated, you're connected, you're on purpose, you're in the flow, you're able to have your best foot forward, be in the right place at the right time, which the world badly needs in its difficult challenges it's going through now, all the crises on different fronts in climate, social justice, geopolitical, and much more, as you know. So we want your excellence, your best experience to come forward to help you and to lift up others to a higher ground as well, and raising the vibration. So how do you do it? Let's go a little bit more into these three core elements. First, knowledge for your best life, your best purposeful effort here. Knowledge. Well, I'm not talking about just idly learning something, reading something, hearing something. That might be interesting. It might take you down some curious rabbit holes, and that may be pleasurable. However, it may be a waste of time. It may even be misleading, full of disinformation, misinformation. What do you need then? For your best life, you need relevant information, solid information that can help you grow in the right way for you. And this may come from the inside, internally, or from the outside, externally. Now, internally, you've developed a lot, you've learned a lot, you've had experiences, you have previous knowledge. All of that forms a strategic intuition, an aha, knowing, eureka moments that you can listen to, be guided from, learn from what's on the inside, and also connecting with your soul, your heart. Angels, guides, masters, internal resources are there for you to learn from, as well as external resources. You want to get solid ones, solid online information, people you know that are trustworthy, books, podcasts. So external resources too, to increase your knowledge in a quality, deliberative way. Now, just one thing, we're not talking about just accumulating knowledge, just to have a lot of information, a lot of data. We want it to be very relevant and targeted. So you can use it with the following two tools I'll go into, the following two elements, rather, tools and support with the knowledge. It converts then into being, knowingness. So let's go into that second tool, that second part, rather, which is tools or practices for creating the best purposeful life. So, tools, practices, things to integrate, things that you can do perhaps on a regular basis, rituals. They might be techniques. We like healing techniques. We like holistic EFT, emotional freedom technique, tapping techniques for energizing and clearing issues. You may have meditation practices, mindfulness. We like soul centering, connecting with your heart and soul, connecting with the conscious universe. And there are other modalities too, tools, practices that you do regularly that keeps you on track going forward. And third, for the best life, the purposeful life, the optimal life, is support. We all need support. Hey, here's something. Have you ever wondered why there's so many people populated in this planet, on this planet? There's so many people. We have connections. They're part of who we are and how we relate. They're essential to us for growing and using optimally. Now, all these circles of people, family, friends, different groups, eventually as you connect further, deeper on your journey, your path, you feel connected with everything and everyone, a citizen of the world, of the universe. Now, one of the way that really gets going is a core group, an intimate group, an inner circle of people of like-minded souls, people you can really relate to and trust and learn from the knowledge, get the right tools and practices and support and be supported and support them. And finding them with your heart will lead the way to people that you really feel connected to. You may have to go online or offline, maybe make some extra efforts to follow through on this, and that core group can really give you a foundation, so when you're with other less similar people, you can be comfortable and be appropriate and be intentional with all kinds of groups, and that vibration as you rise to higher ground can also lift other people too in the way that's right for you and what you can do in your purposeful, optimal way. So, 3 core elements for your best life: the knowledge, the right knowledge, the right tools and practices, and the right support group. And they all combine rather magically and mystically together. And a lot of synchronicities happening when you're in the right place at the right time with this 3 core, these threefold elements working for you. For example, years ago, my wife and I, we wanted to move to a place that our heart was taking us to, the Central Coast, because we didn't like where we were currently living, and we had to be patient. But when the right time and right place occurred, we were able to move to a beautiful place, the Central Coast, which is where I am right now with the ocean behind me. And we've lived there for 20 plus years and love it, wouldn't live anywhere else. For us, it's the right place. And that was living our best life, getting the freedom of being where we wanted to be. And we were most fortunate. And that will work out in the right way for you in the right place, given what you're here to learn and grow and the people you're here to connect with. So all of this connects rather magically and mystically, lifting you to higher ground where you have more insight, you have a broader, bigger picture, you have more persistence and grit and able to go through the challenges. Actually, the challenges become learning experiences to grow from, and you have a lot of inspiration as you go through and find more discoveries and creativities more in this moment now, as you live more moment to moment. And to end here, it reminds me of our mantra, our special mantra we developed in our miracle reframe process. It goes, anything is possible and miracles are happening right now. Right this minute. To you and your best life.